Hi everybody, I'm Ben Manista and I'm a stylist at MC Hair Salon and Spa, and I'm also a cutting art director. And this is my friend Lindsay. She's also a client here in the salon, and she's coming today because she's grown out her hair. I cut it shortly after the salon's reopened, so it's been several months, about 3. And what we're noticing is there's a little integrity issues on the ends. It looks like it's been sort of chewed on and sort of split away, which naturally happens. When I cut her hair originally, I cut it so that it had a really nice collapse, so it helped move the hair while she moved her head. And at the point where she's at right now, she'd like to continue growing it. So I want to show you a video on how I can cut her hair so that she can continue growing it, but it gives it a little bit more of a fresher look. So please stay tuned. Okay guys, here we have the finished product. As you can see, it's brought up just a little over 1 inch. What I've done was I've created a really nice square line at the exterior of the hair. And then what I wanted to do was kind of play off this sort of modern shag hairstyle that I've been seeing a lot. And Lindsay actually said it looked like the modern Rachel, which I thought was really cute. So what I did was I just kind of cleaned up the layers around the face, just doing some nice graduation around the face. And then in the back here, what I've done is I've created some really nice, soft, wispy layers. What this is gonna do for Lindsay is it's gonna actually help give her some fullness through the crown here. And also it's gonna help to keep the hair so it holds tight around the neck, which is gonna make this look fuller naturally. So how do you like it, Lindsay?
I love it.
You love it?
Per
Cool.
usual.
Thank you.
Thank you for your styling.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.